In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your signature product using high-quality PLR, private label rights, and start selling it right away. My name is Grace, and in this video, I'm going to share with you a way that will get you started on the path of creating your own product without having any initial investment or time put into learning new skills. You'll be able to focus all your energy on marketing, while still being able to make sales and have people buy from you instead of just anyone who's selling products online. Having a signature product will give your business a competitive edge. If you don't know what a signature product is, it is best described as your unique product that solves the biggest problems that your target audience has. This will be your flagship product, and it needs to be of the highest quality and provide maximum value. Your signature product defines who you are and will establish your reputation in the market. With this signature product, you will be perceived as an expert and a total authority in your niche. You will use your signature product to define and establish your brand. Why do you need a signature product? When you have a signature product for your businesses, you make a statement that you are committed to helping your customers and prospects in the best way possible. Your signature product could show them how they can build a much larger and more efficient online business, for example. A high-quality signature product is life-changing for your customers. It will help them take steps in the right direction to significantly improve their life. This can be in a business setting or their own personal development. A signature product will show your customers exactly what they need to do step by step to make the necessary changes. Your product will tackle all of the burning questions that your customers have and provide solutions to these issues. Creating a high-quality signature product is a lot of work. If you want to create your signature product yourself, then you need to be prepared to invest a great deal of time, effort, and money. This product has to be all-embracing and leave your customers in no doubt what steps they need to take to achieve their desires. A signature product is all or nothing. Your reputation is on the line here, and your signature product must deliver results for your customers. You can charge a high price for your signature product because it has everything that your customers need to make the major change in their life that they want. So, you can imagine the amount of work involved in creating your own signature product. You have to identify all of the pain points that your customers are experiencing, and then provide effective solutions for all of these. If you are going to sell your signature product at a premium price, then you need to package it in the right way. Elements of a high-quality signature product. You are going to promise a lot to your customers when you are selling your signature product to them. This is necessary to justify the high price of the product. In most cases, providing your customers with a few PDF documents when they have purchased your signature product is not going to be enough. They will expect a mixture of video training, audio files, and documents. You will need to provide helpful resources as well so that they can use these to achieve their desires. The creation of all of these things is going to take a lot of time. If you do not have the skills, the time, or the inclination to create your own signature product, then you can outsource this work. There are professional freelancers that can help you with this for sure. But these talented people are going to demand the highest prices for your services. Selling a high-priced signature product is not going to be easy, so you will need the best copywriters to create your sales page and video sales letter. You can pay hundreds and even thousands of dollars for the top copywriting services. What about the content for your signature product? Well, it is best to create this in written form first, and then develop the video training and other resources from this afterwards. The very best content writers also command high prices, and their availability tends to be very limited. You will need the best graphics for your signature product, and finding a talented graphic designer that will understand exactly what you need right away can be a challenge. It can also be very expensive to hire these people. Stunning graphics are a must for your signature product, and you cannot take any shortcuts here. We have just mentioned a few of the tasks that are required to create a high-quality signature product. There will be others, and all of these tasks need to be managed correctly so that you get exactly what you want when you want it. Create your signature product from high-quality PLR. At plrhouse.org, we have several done-for-you PLR packages of the highest quality that you can use as the foundation for your signature product. You will need to make the PLR package unique so that it cannot be easily compared to the original. But the information that you need for your signature product is in our packages, and this will save you a lot of time and money. With a high-quality PLR package from plrhouse.org, you get everything that you need. The content is top quality and has been fully researched and professionally written by the best writers in the business. For each of our PLR packages, we invest thousands of dollars in the right people to create the most outstanding packages for you. plrhouse.org PLR packages address the real issues that people face in their business and personal lives. We provide proven methods to solve problems and step-by-step guidance on how to make essential changes. This is exactly what you need for your signature product. You can use the high-quality information in a plrhouse.org done-for-you PLR package and easily turn this into a video training course, for example. We provide you with other essential resources such as cheat sheets, mind maps, and resource reports that are all designed to help your customers. If you do not have all of the answers to the burning questions in your niche, then the high-quality PLR packages available from plrhouse.org can provide these for you. There is no need for you to hire expensive content writers to research and write your product. Just adapt the content in your PLR package so that it is in your style, and then create your signature product from this. You will save a great deal of time, effort, and money when you use our top-quality PLR packages to develop your signature product. There will be some work for you to do to transform the package into your finished signature product, but this will be a fraction of what you would need to do if you decided to create your signature product from scratch.